Hey, what's up? So, you've probably heard people say stuff like I'm investing in stocks or the stock market is crashing. But what even is a stock? And how does this whole thing work? Let's break it down. No boring jargon. Just real talk. Imagine your favorite pizza place wants to grow. They want to open new locations, hire more staff, maybe even build a pizza robot. But they need money to do that. One way they can get that money is by going public, which means selling tiny pieces of their company to regular people. Those tiny pieces? They're called stocks or shares. So when you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. Like, legit. If you bought a share of that pizza place, congrats, you technically own part of it now. Maybe just 0.0001%, but still. There are two main reasons. To make money. If the company does well, makes more money, gets more popular, people will want to buy its stock. That pushes the price up. So if you bought a share for $10, and now it's worth $15, you just made $5 if you sell it. Dividends. Some companies share their profits with stockholders. That's called a dividend. It's like getting a thank you payment just for owning a piece of the company. This is where things get spicy. Stock prices change based on supply and demand, basically, how many people want to buy or sell. But what affects that? News about the company, good or bad, the economy, trends in the industry, or sometimes just pure hype, looking at you, mean stocks. So prices move all the time, even when nothing big is happening. That's why people say the market is volatile. You don't need to be rich. You don't even need a suit. All you need is a broker, which is basically an app or website that lets you buy and sell stocks. Popular ones are Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, etc. You sign up, deposit money, and boom, you can start investing. But here's the key: know what you're investing in. Don't just follow hype. Yes, stocks can go up and down, and you can lose money. But over the long term, like years, the stock market has historically gone up. That's why most people don't try to get rich overnight. They invest slowly and consistently, letting their money grow over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, give it time, and one day, boom, shade, apples, money. So that's stocks in simple terms. You're buying a piece of a company, hoping it grows, and maybe getting paid while you wait. It's not magic, but it's kinda cool. If you found this helpful, drop a like or share it with a friend who still thinks stocks are something old people yell about on the news. Catch you in the next one.